I'm getting my lip filler touched up today. I have 2 syringes right now. Really didn't have much going on when I started going. Whenever I say 2 syringes, people are like, but I didn't have lips before, so that's why. It's been almost a year since my 2nd syringe. I still really like them and I think they look natural, but when I go back to the afters of the last time I got them done, they've deflated quite a bit. I texted my injector and she said I was good to go. This is my 3rd time going, so I don't know why I'm so anxious. I think I'll always be anxious to get a needle in my face. That and all I've had today is coffee, so I'm like anxiety cracking out. I go to Heather, House of Beauty, Fort Worth. Love her, she's a boss baddie. I think she slays and she makes me feel like chill about the whole thing. She's got very calming energy, so that helps. Yeah, I'm done yapping. I'll see you when I'm numbing. I'm here, I'm waiting in the car because I have so much anxiety. I made the mistake of calling my mother, who's very anti-filler. She told me I'm gonna look like Lisa Rinna. So thanks for that, honestly. I love Lisa Rinna, so fuck it. Do what makes you happy. I'm numbing. My lips feel like they're literally vibrating. This feeling's always so weird. It like barely hurts, but I'm still terrified for whatever reason. Okay, keep in mind, I am still numb. I can't talk correctly. And they're swollen, okay? I love them. After I get them done, I'm like freaking out, and I'm still internally freaking out a bit, but not as much as usual. I can't talk like this. I'm gonna come back when I'm not numb because I look ridiculous. Okay, the numbing's finally worn off and I can speak normally. My lips feel tight, that's the best way to describe it. The result, I'm obsessed with them. This is like my perfect size. I wouldn't go any bigger. I feel like it matches my side profile better. I don't know, it's not like the biggest difference, but I notice it. I rate the pain like a 3 or 4 max. That's really pushing it. My first time I got a dental block, and the last 2 times I haven't, and I don't think I'll ever need one again. He said I don't need to go again for 2 to 3 years, so love that, save some money. Tomorrow will be the most swollen day. You can already see like I'm gonna bruise right here, but it doesn't look like it's gonna be as bad as the last time. Love that like I have a little like keyhole like pout thing right there. Yes, I've always wanted that. Can't really smile right now. I probably could, but it feels stretched out. The weirdest thing about getting fillers is that they feel like literally hard to the touch for like the first couple of days, and they start to soften out and feel like normal lips. But yeah, I love them. If you're gonna hate on me in the comments, that's fine. I cannot wait to do my lipstick tomorrow. If you're looking for an injector, my advice would be to go someone who's an RN, like certified. It just made me trust my injector a lot more. He also told me not to get Botox before 28 because you can build a tolerance up to it, and I didn't know that. Just not trying to squeeze all my money out of me, okay? If you have any questions, comment them. I'll do my best to answer. That's the lips. Bye, baddies.